What is good, everybody? It's H back with another 12 Hub TV video, and it's been a minute. Today's December 11th, 2021, so it's like the big day. The cool gray 11s just dropped. We did a live cop, and there's a giveaway, so check that out. Like and subscribe, obviously, to enter the giveaway, but check the video out, and simple rules. They're in the chat if you watch the video, and we're definitely going to give away at least one pair of cool grays and maybe another pair depending on how many people, because there's a bunch of different people that entered, plus the people that were in the live. So, we want to give everybody a chance to get the shoe, and we talked about it after the live and said, want to open it up to the rest of the viewers that might have missed it, because it is a Saturday, you're doing your thing, whatever, so we want to open up to everybody. But shout out to everybody who was in the live, Distinguished Kick, Sneaker Junkie, my man, damn, homie from India. I forgot your username on the screen, but you know who you are. Good looks on telling us like how it is out there in that market, and we definitely got to chop it up some more. And just everybody else who was on the live stream that took care of us today. It was a fun one. Jonathan, thanks for checking in again on the live, and we all got our shoes, and I got my pairs. Definitely. And shout out to Glenn for putting me on to the foot sites and how to do it. I copped 3 pairs off of foot sites. Plus my early access a few weeks back, and I already sold that. She was a grade school 11, so cool gray. And I got my size, another grade school, and a toddler and a baby booty, and I'm saving those for my babies. So that's it. And I don't like 11s, so I'm never gonna wear my shoe. I'm just gonna hold on to it, for what it is worth. Anywho, today we're looking at this box. It's an Adidas box, if you don't know. It is the 700 V3 Copper Fade, and I'm interested in this shoe. Let's go. Yeah, so this is one of those low-key shoes that just came out of nowhere. It literally came out yesterday, and Adidas has been really good with the shipping. I know they have like a facility out in Pennsylvania, I believe, and that's where this shoe came from. So I'm happy about getting it in time just to do a video for the content. But I do kind of want to give the V3 700 another chance, and I'm going to tell you why I want to open it. So yeah, I'm just going to go simple, open the box. Like I said, I hate doing unboxings. I lost my bear claw, so excuse me if we don't have the traditional 12 Hub bear claw thing going. I'm trying to get me a Bowie knife now, or some machete or something next. Something different, to open boxes. Alright, so this bad boy, typical box, 700 on top. I ain't gonna go through the logistics with you, 700, all the way around. There's the size tag. I went a whole size up. Cop fad. Copper Fade. I love the colors that they name, ways that they give these things a name. So Copper Fade on that. So here's the box. Got that over the top view. So as always, these come with extra laces, just in case you don't like these laces, and that's something we're going to talk about in this video. So yeah, extra laces right here. Just a regular old lace thing. It's just regular Yeezy laces, thick rope ones. Beautiful over underlay. Look at that. I like the way this shoe looks. It's just a cool looking shoe. It's got this greenish tint to it on the midsole. The upper is just buttery, man. To me, I like it. And this is more pliable now than the older ones. This used to be stiffer, which I think is dope. But like, we go right back here, like straight on view. Get better light right here. This is kind of greenish. You see that it kind of fades to green. It goes from like this copper and then green. It doesn't fade very well, but you can kind of see a gradient going up into the darker, and it turns kind of blackish gray towards the front. So there's hints of gray, there's hints of green, there's hints of this orange copper looking material, and up here is like a it's to me, I love just the aesthetics of this shoe. It's a mean shoe, and I like to say mean because it's one of those things, if you put the right fit on, you'll be killing it out there with these. The problem here is if you have a wider foot. So This thing kind of is supposed to mold to your foot. When I wear it, it kind of looks like this. Even doesn't matter. I want a whole size up. It goes like this. So I'm gonna use this one as an example. It kind of like it kind of spreads out a little bit and looks kind of like weird. Like not like this particular, but when I do like walk in it and my Kyanites, I wear. Those are the only ones I've actually worn out in public like that. They tend to do that, and they don't look bad, but they don't look great. I would love to make it look like this, but it doesn't look like that because this is a little more flexible. I think they've changed it a little bit where this molds to the foot a little bit better, is not so stiff. I could feel that in the materials here, but apparently I've heard that all Yeezys now fit more true to size. I don't know if that's to be true, but I went for the size 13 either way. If not, I'll just wear the thicker sock, whatever. The mesh here is light. It feels a little lighter because it's almost translucent. I'm looking inside the shoe. You can kind of see that. It's like you can kind of see the light through. You can see the light through the shoe. Like you see my finger, and I rub that, you can see through the shoe. So definitely a lot of air will flow through these. So buyer beware again. If you're wearing these in the wintertime, you step in a puddle or some snow, your sock is definitely gonna get wet. So right here, got those greenish hits again, so like that camo type of green. It's a fire shoe, man. I love what they do. I mean, they do these neutral colors. They do these very monotone type of colors with Yeezys, but they do them right. And I like that hit in the back with that Adidas. This is one of my favorite Yeezy silhouettes to date, right? They've done a great job with making this 700 V3, but again, it's for the wider foot person, and I hope I could find. I have the video of me with the Kyanites on, and I'll put that in here if I can at the end as an on foot, just to give you an example. What it looks. I have pictures on my IG of it too, but they don't look that great on a wider foot. Mind you, it's just something to get used to, and I haven't experimented yet. I want to do a lace swap with the regular laces because the regular laces might tie better because these kind of just pull out and tighten here, but they get loose after a while and they could spread out. So if regular laces in here, I'm thinking maybe that'll keep this more compact and closer to your foot, so it hugs it, so this thing kind of wraps around like it's supposed to. With this looser what do they call it, pull tab thingy here, it doesn't do that. So I'm gonna do that lace swap with my Kyanites, and I'm not sure how this, I don't know if we can pull this out or what, but I don't care. I really don't care. Yeah, actually, I'm looking at this. This is a piece of rubber, and then looks like these are like tied together. Maybe I don't know. I was about to break it, but it looks like it's there. But these are dope. Resale isn't too crazy on these because people have been stocking up and saving up for other shoes, and these have just been chilling. So it might be a good time to grab them if you missed out. I got these on the confirmed raffle. I don't remember how much they cost. You can check that out somewhere in this video. I put it up there. But I'm giving these a solid 7 out of 10, which is a pretty good score for me because I go high, low. Like my low is in the 4s and 5s. But this one, I did buy it. I do love the colorway. I do love the way the green. I actually have a pair of Nike sweats that work with this, but we'll see. We'll see. I don't know if I'm quite there yet with mixing and matching brands. I know it's kind of a thing now. People do it. I'm old school, but I do it sometimes, like with my slides. I love Adidas slides, and all I have is like Nike sweatpants. So I do that. Nike shorts, a lot of Nike shorts. It's all good. But if you do mix brands, let me know in the comments if you mix brands. And tell me if you like this shoe too, because I do. I like it. It's different. It's cool. I have a whole bunch of different stuff that works with it, but it is my latest cop that I feel like doing a video on, and there will be more videos coming. I have to do that Kerwin Frost clown, not the clown shoe, the other clown shoe, the Mr. Potato Head shoe, which is coming very soon. I am I'm obsessed with picking apart that trash. So we'll see. But check out, I'm going to put a little bit, the live cop, check that link in the bio, I guess. I'll put it down there. And we'll be announcing winner sometime next week. Maybe on the podcast. We're going to do the podcast a little early this week. So check us out on Monday, 7 p.m. Eastern for the podcast. And yeah, much love. Thank you all for the support. There will be more videos coming, as always. And this is H, back with another one. Peace.